Are you looking for an easy way to add ChatGPT, the AI chatbot, to your iPhone home screen? In this short tutorial, I will show you how to quickly and easily set up a shortcut so that you can access ChatGPT with just one tap. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, open up the Safari browser and then go to chat.openai.com. Once you are on this page, you either need to log in or sign up. If you don't have a ChatGPT account, then tap on Sign Up, and if you already have one, then go ahead and log into it. After that, tap on the Share button at the bottom center of the screen. And then scroll down to the bottom. And then simply tap on Add to Home Screen. And then I'm going to name this shortcut ChatGPT. After that, tap on Add at the top right corner of the screen. And now you've successfully added ChatGPT to your home screen. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.